Hello everyone. If you want to start a career in cybersecurity but don't know where to begin, this video will give you a complete roadmap from beginner to expert. So by end of this video, you'll know what to learn first, which career path exists, what skills are required for that, and how experienced professionals grow further. So let me start from step one. So let's understand what cybersecurity really is. So many beginners think cybersecurity means hacking. That's actually true, but it's only a small part of it. Cybersecurity is the process of protecting systems, networks, applications, and data from attacks. It's basically cybersecurity. So, what are the main roles, the key roles in cybersecurity? So, I want to explain that. So, it's security analyst, SOC analyst, penetration tester, security engineer, cloud security engineer, incident responder, malware analyst, security architect, CISO, and so on. Digital forensics. There are many roles. So wide sea. So before learning tools, understand the industry first. Okay. So next, I want to explain about the step two. Okay. Learn computer fundamentals first. Before cybersecurity, you will need strong foundation. Learn how computer work, operating system, file systems, memories, processors, user and permissions. First, spend at least few weeks understanding these basics. Without fundamentals, advanced security topics become difficult. It will be really difficult. First, understand the basics of fundamentals. Then you can switch to networking. Then you can go to learn networking. Networking is one of the most important skills in cybersecurity. Okay, it's one of the most important thing. Understand IP address, subnetting, DNS, DHCP, TCP, UDP, HTTP, HTTPS, VPN routing. Understand these fundamentals. So if you don't understand how data moves across networks, security will always feel confusing. Okay. Next, you can switch to Linux. Learn Linux. Most security tools run on Linux. Basic. First, you have to learn basic commands. Then file permissions, users and groups, networking commands, bash scripting, and everything. Practice these every day. A person comfortable with Linux learns security much faster. Then you can move to the programming. You don't have to become a full software developer, but you should know basics of at least Python automation, security tools, and scripts. In JavaScript, in JavaScript you can do web application build testing. So you just need to know the high level of it. If you know clearly, it's well and good. Okay. Then security basics. So now start actual security concepts. Okay, learn CIA threat, authentication, authorization, encryption, hashing, firewalls, IDP, IPS. So then vulnerability management, risk management. These concepts appear everywhere in cybersecurity. Then after that, if you are comfortable with all these 6 steps, then you can move to you can build a home lab. So this is where real learning starts. You can install a virtual box, then you can install a Kali Linux, then you can practice Nmap, Wireshark, Websuit, Metasploit. You can get familiar with these tools. Okay. Do not attack real systems. Use legal practice environments. Okay. Also mention about the practice platforms. There are a few platforms like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, Fourth Figure Web Security Academy, or something like that. And search about it. It's really good. And also Juice Shop and test in this. You can practice in these platforms. So these are complete labs regulatory. Employers value practical skills more than certification. Okay. So then, if you're all comfortable with these, then you can move to specialization. Okay. At this stage, decide the direction. Okay. You can become a SOC analyst. So there are 5, 6 paths. So I'll explain everything. So you can either become a SOC analyst. For that, you need to know SIEM, log analysis, incident monitoring, threat detection. Basically, it's monitoring of the end user system. Okay, that's SOC analyst. That's part one. Then we have VAPT penetration testing. In that, we have lots of different types of VAPT. So web security, API, network, infra, Active Directory, all those things. So you basically test a client's environment and make a report of it. So that's how the VAPT works. Then we have cloud security. In cloud security, we have Azure, AWS, IAM, cloud monitoring. These things comes under as cloud security. In application, secure coding, code reviews, code sanitization, DevSecOps, you can have these things. And then in Path 5, we have malware analysis. So in that, reverse engineering, assembly, debugging, all these things can be done. So then we have digital forensics. It's not a full-fledged career path. I won't suggest to anyone. But if you're going with digital forensics, evidence collection, incident investigation, threat hunting, you can do these things. So if you are an experienced professional, okay, you have already have 2 to 5 years of experience, don't stay limited to use tools usage. Focus on threat modeling, security architecture, cloud security, automation, purple taming, detection, engineering, and security leadership. You can go with these things. So many professionals get stuck because they learn more tools but not concepts. Highest paying roles usually involves designing security programs rather than simply running tools. Okay. So if you want to go with certification, but certification is not very important in cybersecurity. Your ground knowledge is very important, but for certification roadmap, if you are a beginner, you can go with Google certifications like cybersecurity there or something like that. Then you can go to Security Plus. If you are an intermediate, you can try CEH, EJPT, PNPT. Then if you are advanced, if you have at least of 2 to 3 years of experience, you can try OSCP, CSSP, CCBSP, CRTO. Remember, skills comes first, certification second. Okay, don't waste your time on certifications if you don't have skills. So let me tell you how to get your first job. So first, build a GitHub projects, do security reports, lab write-ups, LinkedIn profiles. Build your LinkedIn profile first. Then you can practice for interviews, apply constantly. First role may be SOC analyst, most probably, or else junior security analyst, junior pen tester, or security intern. It's probably going to be a first role. Once you get into industry experience, growth becomes much faster. Okay. So if you're starting today, don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on one step at a time. Cybersecurity is a marathon, not a sprint. So at least, yeah. Thank you for watching.